So I have to admit that I lost the fight against the hawk. It took my entire flock, 7 chickens, and in a couple of months. So I'm going to be reinforcing all the safety around the coop, adding a run with a chicken wire. But for now, I'm going to be bringing the pullet into the coop, and I'm going to leave the coop closed for a week. But before I start working on the coop, I'm going to set up the smoker because today I'm going to be cooking a pulled pork. And this is approximately a 14-hour snake. And during the first 4 hours, I'm going to be smoking with a seasoned oak. Map gas to the rescue. So I'm going to set this on the smoker, fat side down for 3 hours, and then I'll come back and wrap it on aluminum foil. Fully open and halfway closed. And until next week, which is when I'm getting the new metal run with chicken wire, I'm gonna be preparing the coop. I'm gonna move the pullets inside. This is gonna be kind of like a brooded box until I have the run installed. Hello. All right, so I'm gonna bring them in. I'm gonna be covering the floor with cardboard because I don't want them to walk on the wire. Still have 2 small feet, and I don't want them to get hurt. New home. Look at this. All right, let's bring the rest of the family. There we go. Where were you going? Where are you going? I'm gonna cover this opening with a cardboard. So I need 1 foot, 1 foot, and 8.5 by 45. Yeah, they're gonna be better in this coop for a week than in the brooded box, which is getting already too small. That's 1, 2. You can see they don't like walking on the wire too much. They prefer to stand on the rooster bars. All right. It's ready like this, huh? Okay, let's add some fluffiness. I'm gonna go get the water and the feeder. By the way, tomorrow I need to go get a queen bee because one of the hive lost a queen. Always something with the bees, always something. All right, this one. And this one. This is actually the first time they're gonna be feeding off a feeder like this one. And the water there. And I'm going to feed them with organic chicken starter, which is has a higher content in protein. And I can tell already they are much happier here. I'm pretty sure they are hungry and thirsty, so I'm gonna just leave some hints. Oh, seems to know where to find out the food. Check this out. Good. Oh wow, she's going all in. Put some here so they can see where the food is, although they'll figure it out. And water may be a little bit more challenging because this is the first time they're gonna be using this nipple. So I'm just gonna fill it up with water and play around with this system and see if they find out the way it works. I'm gonna let them alone for a little bit and see if they find out how everything works. And it is a pity that I'm going to have the chickens confined in a run. Still 10 by 20, very big for the amount of chickens that I have, 11. But I prefer the setup I had before, where they were just roaming around this space, free ranging. But I'd rather have live chickens than dead chickens. Let's check how this is going. Wow, look at this color, beautiful. And the snake is burning pretty good so far. All right, like so. And I'm gonna put the thermometer in the meat and wait until I have a reading of 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And until next weekend, this door is gonna remain closed. And I have a mix of golden comets, Americanas, and 2 chicks that they are like a mixed breed. Mainly golden comets, and next week I'm gonna bring 2 more Americanas. They're gonna be much more comfortable in this new coop. They have a lot more space, but next weekend they're gonna be free for the first time in a 10 by 20 run. So they're gonna have 200 square feet available for them. Until then, thank you for watching.